believing in yourself. Something I've struggled with for such a long time, and I know there's probably going to be people out there that struggle to believe this because I'm putting myself out there so much on social media, but I struggle with my confidence and I struggle believing that I'm intelligent enough to be doing what I'm doing. I struggle with this constantly, and as my businesses grow and get more successful, I often feel quite intimidated about some of the people that I'm involved with and that I hang around because I feel that I'm not on their level. And it's made me really go back and think about my industry, this industry that I love. And part of the reason, a huge part of the reason that I held myself back for so many years was because I didn't think I had the knowledge, I didn't think I had the education, I didn't think I had the brain to be able to lift my business up here and be more professional. And the more I've been thinking about this, it shows up in so many ways, and I really pull people up on it now, and I almost have to pull myself up on it as well on a daily basis. But I so often hear even members of my own team on site just saying, oh, I'm just a dumb plumber, or I'm just a dumb tradie. And especially when we're on jobs that are architectural jobs, they're incredibly involved and we've got to discuss something with an architect or sort out a situation, they'll always refer to themselves as dumb and like, oh, well, I'm just a dumb tradie, what do I know? The architect won't think that's a good idea, and all these types of comments. And like I've really been pulling people up on it because everyone is incredible in their own way, and that's something that I've sort of had to learn myself. And look, I may not be the smartest person in regards of I'm very poor at reading, I'm very poor at spelling, I'm quite useless in the office and on the computer and all those types of things, but put me on site and I'll smash everybody. Put me out in a paddock on a farm with no tools and I'll sort myself out. Put me on an island with nothing and I'll sort myself out. And what I'm getting at is we're all different, and it's okay to be different. And I really, really want builders and tradies to stop looking down on ourselves. Stop saying I'm just a dumb tradie, or I'm just a dumb builder, or I'm not smart enough, because we are smart. We're incredibly smart and we can do things that so many people can't do. So believe in yourself, have faith in yourself and trust yourself, and you'll go a long way. And look, if you're ever around me, like I get people pull me up on it all the time, and because I still do let it slip, I'll get myself in a situation where I'd struggle to believe in myself and what I'm doing. And my wife pulls me up on it now. Amelia, one of my business partners, pulls me up on it, and I appreciate that because they're putting me in my place. And I've come such a long way since I've learnt to believe in myself. And like I said, I'm really sick and tired of builders and tradies. It's almost like we use it as an excuse, and I definitely think it's a big, big part of why we haven't risen up here and become more professional, because we don't believe in ourselves. So I'm on a mission to improve this industry. I'm putting myself out here, doing everything I do to help this industry out. So guys, let's join together, believe in ourselves. You're intelligent people, you're great people, and you can build incredible things. Let's work together to bring this industry up here and be recognised as professionals.